Hi there, Tom Jane Craig here again, and I hope that the first video really helped you to understand of all the amazing value that you're gonna get with this VIP customer program. If you haven't watched the video, I highly suggest you go and quickly watch it now before we're gonna get into how to actually step-by-step register to become a Herbalife member. So if you're ready to go, I'm gonna jump on my screen and show you everything right now. Okay, so to register as a Herbalife member, go to myherbalife.com and this screen is gonna pop up. First of all, make sure that this is set to United Kingdom if you join us from United Kingdom. And once you're here, just click Join Herbalife Applying Online. So here you will just have to create your Herbalife account with your email and password. So just put your email here and the password that you prefer, and it will take you on to the next page. After you enter your email and create your password, you'll be taken to this page where you can now fill in step-by-step your personal information. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna be using Jane Doe as an example, but obviously you wanna use your details. So first and foremost, there's the sponsors details. That would be myself as I'm the Herba Coach. So this ID, you can also find it below this video, is 07Y0101909, and then the first 3 letters is TOM, and this should pop up, Jane Craig Thomas. Okay, so make sure you fill this in correctly. Without this, you won't be able to even proceed. So that's simple as that. And now you're just gonna fill in these details. So I'll do just Jane Doe. Then you want to set your passport or driving license, so whatever is easier, and just fill in the numbers there. And now it will be taken to your next page where you fill in your address. So just again, make sure you use your own address. That's where you can ship your products and all that. There we go. Now you put in your phone number as well. This box you want to leave unticked unless you were a part of Herbalife before. If you were part of Herbalife or you had a membership with Herbalife before, you have to let us know because that will involve a little bit different procedure. But if you didn't have, if you never were a Herbalife member, then you just leave it unticked. Now about account information, so it'll be your email address here, and it's just about data privacy. So you can read through this. I highly suggest you say that you want to receive news from Herbalife because you will know when new products come out and things like that. So, and you can always turn it off if you don't want to later. So I always suggest that you turn this on. And then you want to create your PIN. It will tell you what sort of PIN it should be. So for the sake of this video, I was just going to use ABC123, but you want to use something stronger than that. Click next. Now you will be taken to this gold standard guarantee page, which is something that Herbalife is really proud of, and it's amazing that they are offering this guarantee. So basically what it means that you have 90 days guaranteed to, if you change your mind, to return this membership pack. You can cancel the membership within 90 days. And even if you decided you want to do it, you're gonna get all your money back. So it's just protection for you. So you want to just read through this, that you understand all what's involved. But it's very straightforward. So you just want to read all this. It also tells you some of the things, how to grow the discount, and that there's also the opportunity to earn some extra income later on if you want to. And you just have to read through this and just say that you understood. If you have any question, reach out to us, but it should be straightforward. Click next. And this is just the membership agreement. So you're becoming a Herbalife member. So just the membership and the terms. Again, that you have the 90 days, you have satisfaction guaranteed, you have 30-day guarantee on all the products, and all that is just to protect you as the member. Okay, so just read through it again carefully, and you can just click agree. And again, normally you have 14 days to withdraw from contract, but Herbalife will give you 90 days. So you just click that and click next. Perfect. So now you just have to review your information. So make sure all information is correct. Make sure that the sponsor's information is correct. That's very important. Your name, address, phone number, email. Just read through this message again about the gold standard and click that you understand. And here, Herbalife member pack. Don't tick this box because you haven't got the member pack yet, and that's what you're going to do on the next page. So just leave this unticked, tick this and click next. And now you're going to be sent on the shipping information. So the member pack is $34.70 without tax and shipping, and you can ship it to any address that you want. Click next. And here is the billing page. So as you can see, $42.28, and this is your billing address. So you just literally put your name on your card and your card information, and you click submit. And then after this, you will be officially the VIP customer, Herbalife member. You're going to receive this pack within 2 to 3 days. And then we'll definitely give you more information on everything you need, how to use the membership, how to shop, how to increase the discount. So after you register, you'll receive all the information that you need. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us anytime, but this is exactly how to register step by step to become Herbalife member.